Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Sony WH-1000XM5 versus Sennheiser Momentum 4. First is the specifications. So, frequency response of XM5 is 4 Hz to 40 kHz, whereas frequency response of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is 6 Hz to 22 kHz. Driver size of XM5 is 30 mm, whereas driver size of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is 42 mm. Bluetooth version of XM5 is 5.2 and Bluetooth version of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is also 5.2. Bluetooth version of both the headphones are same. Supported audio codecs. Supported audio codecs of XM5 are AAC, SBC and LDAC, whereas supported audio codecs of Sennheiser Momentum 4 are AAC, SBC, aptX and aptX HD. Weight of XM5 is 254 grams, whereas weight of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is 292 grams. It's heavier. Battery life. Maximum battery life of XM5 is up to 30 hours, whereas maximum battery life of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is up to 60 hours. Fast charging. Fast charging is 3 minutes of charging provides up to 3 hours of playback in XM5, whereas Sennheiser Momentum 4's fast charging is not specified. Sound quality. Overall sound quality of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is slightly better, and overall sound quality of XM5 is a strong bass boost. Bass response. Sennheiser Momentum 4's bass response controlled low frequencies, whereas Sony WH-1000XM5's bass response is more powerful bass. Soundstage. Sennheiser Momentum 4 has exceptionally wide and spacious soundstage, whereas XM5 soundstage is less exaggerated soundstage. Highs and clarities. Sennheiser Momentum 4 has a clear and detailed treble, and XM5 has slightly less high-range detail. Customization of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is 3-band EQ and sound check, whereas customization of XM5 is 5-band EQ for detailed customization. Spatial audio. Sennheiser Momentum 4 has less compelling spatial audio feature, whereas XM5 has enhanced spatial experience with 360 reality audio. Comfort and fit. XM5 has synthetic leather in earbud material, whereas Sennheiser Momentum 4 has synthetic leather in earbud material. Both have the same earbud material, and weight that we have discussed earlier. Weight of XM5 is 254 grams and Sennheiser Momentum's weight is 292 grams. Headband material of XM5 is all black design, and headband material of Sennheiser Momentum 4 is cloth texture. Pressure of XM5 is fairly light headband pressure, and Sennheiser Momentum 4 also have fairly light headband pressure. Comfort rating. If we talk about its rating, then XM5 is comfortable for long listening sessions, whereas Sennheiser Momentum 4 is slightly more preferred by some users. Design preference. XM5 is designed sleek and minimal, whereas Sennheiser Momentum 4 is designed like cloth texture, adds character and maturity. Active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation performance in XM5 is considered one of the best in market, and active noise cancellation performance in Sennheiser Momentum 4 is also very good, but not as effective as Sony. Noise isolation in XM5 is excellent noise isolation. It blocks incidental sounds effectively. And in Sennheiser Momentum 4, good noise isolation is there but less effective than Sony. Low end cancellation. Cancels low end noise, that is engine strains, by around 30 decibels in XM5. Whereas in Sennheiser Momentum 4, low end cancellation is effective but less powerful in low frequencies. Adaptive ANC. XM5 is, yes, it adjusts based on surroundings, whereas Sennheiser Momentum 4 also yes, but less responsive compared to Sony. Microphone setup. XM5 has 8 microphones for improved ANC and call quality, whereas Sennheiser Momentum 4 has fewer microphones, resulting in slightly less effective ANC. Conclusion. So, recommendation for both the headphones are here presented. Best for Sennheiser Momentum is best for sound quality and battery life, whereas Sony WH-1000XM5 is best for active noise cancellation and advanced features. Key strengths of these headphones. Key strengths of Momentum 4 is superior sound quality, industry-leading battery life up to 60 hours, and also comfortable for long listening sessions. Whereas key strengths of Sony WH-1000XM5s are best-in-class ANC, excellent microphone quality, and also support 360 reality audio. Consideration. Sennheiser Momentum 4 is considered bass may be overhyped. ANC performance is good but not top tier. Whereas Sony WH-1000XM5's consideration is battery life is shorter up to 30 hours but slightly heavier than Sennheiser. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such videos.